Hello everyone. So how does Wix.com work? So Wix is a website builder that you can use to easily construct an online presence using a drag and drop interface without needing to know any coding or FTP skills. So you won't be hiring specialists or web developers. So with Wix's web hosting, all you need is an email address to get started. So in reality, you can create a website for free if you don't mind the advertisements. Okay, so let's jump into its website. Okay, just launch your Google Chrome app and type in wix.com. Okay, so if you don't have an account here, so you'll be asked to create one. So let's click get started. Okay, and it will bring you to this page where you can begin signing up using your Google or your Facebook account. So in my case, I already have an account here, so I'm just going to log in using my email address. Okay, so upon clicking this button, so it will bring you to this page where you can create your first website. Okay, so in my case, I have an unfinished website here, so let me create a new website. Just click this one and let's create a new site. Okay, so if you are going to create your new website, so you'll be asked some questions. For example, this one, what kind of website are you creating? So you are just going to choose from any of this. Let's say you're going to create portfolio. Okay, so let's choose general portfolio. Let's hit next. Okay, what would you like to call your website? So this is basically the name of the website. Okay, so let's try a random name. So let's try can portfolio. Okay, this is okay, so this is a really basic name. Okay, so let's hit next again, and you'll be asked again, what do you want to add to your website? So you can add forms. Just click on this top left corner of the box, and you can add some more by clicking those boxes at the top left corner of it. Okay, so after checking those, you can proceed by clicking next again. Okay, so to start setting up your website, you can begin with a template or create a custom built site. So if you want to make it easier, so you can choose begin with a template. Well, Wix.com actually has over 500 templates to choose from. Okay, so these are some of this. Okay, so you can view one of it, and okay, for example, this one. So this is an actual template. You can download it, and also you can directly edit this website. Okay, it will take you some time, but it will surely respond. Okay, okay, so this what the drag and drop interface comes in. So you just going to add elements here, add section, pages and menu, and all the other stuff there. So this is easy to use. Like what it said, it is a beginner friendly website builder. Okay, so If you find this video informative or helpful, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.